Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will learn on how to activate Facebook dating. Now to begin, you have to make sure that you have the latest version of the app. So just go to Play Store and make sure to download or update your Facebook application before you can activate Facebook dating. So just go to Play Store and then search for Facebook. Then once you have found the Facebook, you just have to click on it. And then if you will see an option where it says update, so you just have to click on it, and once a time you just have to open your Facebook application and then logged into your Facebook account. Now here you just have to click on these three horizontal lines at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then you'd be able to see these different options. Now you just have to click on this see more option, and here you're supposed to see here the dating option. So we have to follow the rules and regulations before we can activate the Facebook dating. Now just scroll down and click on the help and support, and then select the help center option. Then here you just have to use the search bar and search for related article, for example Facebook dating to be specific. Then here on the search results, you just have to select the fourth one, who can use Facebook dating. So Facebook dating is available from the Facebook app for Android or iPhone. Then Facebook dating is available in many countries. So to access Facebook dating, you must be at least 18 years old, have a Facebook account in good standing that's at least 30 days old, and live in a country where dating is available. And here is the list of all countries that Facebook dating is available. And if you are not from any of these countries, then it's impossible to activate Facebook dating in your account. So if you are 18 or older, you have new or active account, or you went against to their terms of service or community standards or other policies. Now, if you think you meet all of those criteria for you to activate Facebook dating, you just have to click on the no option here on the what went wrong and click on add, and you just have to explain here truly about your concern. For example, you want them to know that you meet all of the criteria and you are 18 years old and above. Then you just have to type it up right here, and then you just have to click on submit, and then you just have to wait for the response. That's it for today's video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe and like this video.